Congratulations on your twins.
Yeah.
You've been in this building a couple of times. Nothing like tonight's intensity. Coming into opposing buildings that haven't had crowds like this, and then seeing what they've had, what's happened with them, does that give you a little more added incentive?
I mean, it adds to emotion in the game, I think, but the incentive and what's on the line doesn't really change, I think them playing well, I mean, adds to the incentive, I guess you could say. We're pretty much head-to-head fighting for, I think it's like 3 spots out of 5 teams that are pretty close, maybe 6. Who knows, but it's, it's just a huge game, division game, obviously they're all conference games, but for how close we are to standing, I think that's a lot of incentive. And then, with the emotion in the building, that's just added emotion. That's just playing in a playoff game.
And tonight it seemed like and you guys focused on this all year, but today you guys really cleaned up in front of Hank. And Hank stood on his head, but there weren't a lot of rebounds. Is that something you guys really focused on in meetings?
Well, I mean, no, that's just what we always try to focus on. You need to be a lot stingier and a lot, certain times you give things up and they're going to get their shots and some chances, but they can't be getting 20 chances and they can't be getting 15 of them point blank. We need to clean that up.
And then there's 2 schools of thought. When Ash jumps in there, one school of thought is, you got to stay away and take the power play. Another school of thought is, you got to stand up for your teammate. You sitting on the bench and see Ash jump in on like that, what goes through your mind?
That's what he wants to do. That's his intention. They're all good intentions, and that's, he goes in there and, we're not going to be pushed around. That was the message that he sent. And it was, I think that was, what he did was great intentions, and that was, we'll play 4-on-4. It's everybody's okay, but I'll never question Ashton. He's a warrior. He's played, for a while. He's a veteran, and he's a great guy to have on your team.
Thanks.